The numbers are in, and for the UK economy, 2025 didn't exactly end with a bang. Fresh data from the Office for National Statistics reveals the economy expanded a mere 0.1% in the final quarter of the year. And it's a figure that's left the city underwhelmed and the government facing tough questions about its growth strategy. As one analyst puts it, subdued, sluggish and slow. Three words that sum up UK economic growth for 2025. Now, why did we miss the mark? Well, most experts were expecting a 0.2 expansion in the fourth quarter, but the engine of the British economy, the services sector, completely stalled. Representing around 80% of our GDP output, services saw zero growth between October and December. While manufacturing and production provided a small 1.2% lift, it wasn't enough to offset a sharp 2.1% contraction in construction, marking the sector's worst performance in 4 years. This sluggishness isn't happening in a vacuum though. The final quarter of 2025 was dominated by Rachel Reeves' second budget. We saw businesses hit the pause button on investment, spooked by the tax speculation, amid rumours of a huge gap in public finances. December saw a tiny 0.1% uptick after the budget was finalised, and it's clear that the budget bounce many hoped for has failed to materialise. Though some economists are keeping the faith that the clouds of uncertainty will continue to lift in the new year. But here's the metric that really matters for your pocketbook: GDP per head. While the headline figure is positive, GDP per person actually fell 0.1% for the second consecutive quarter, in a stark sign individuals are getting poorer. And looking ahead to 2026, the Bank of England has already trimmed its forecast to 0.9% growth from 1.2% previously. So where do we go from here? Well, Shadow Chancellor Mel Stride is calling this a failure of focus, a similar sentiment shown in newly released messages from Health Secretary Wes Streeting, criticising his own government. The Treasury is maintaining its plan will eventually lower the national debt and create a sense of stability. But for the average business owner or homeowner, stability might be feeling a lot like stagnation right now. So is the UK stuck in a low growth trap, or is this just the post-budget hangover we thought we would have? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the city's biggest moves.